The Nintendo Switch is not just a gaming console. It's a computer with its own unique code. It runs on a system based on FreeBSD, a software foundation used in many hidden places. Its games are built using C++ and assembly, making them run smoothly on its small but powerful hardware. Without this coding, the Switch would just be a screen with buttons. But what if Nintendo let anyone create their own games for it?
Gaming card or marketing spin? The new 5060 Ti card sounds powerful, but the comparison? They're using the weakest older model. So, is this really that impressive? Apple is ditching titanium. The new iPhone 17 Pro models will have aluminum instead of titanium. The back has a camera bump housing 3 lenses horizontally. This is the most dramatic redesign since the iPhone X. Do you like the new look? Apple's iPhone 17 Air will be 5.5 millimeters thick, thinner than a pencil. It will feature a centered single 48-megapixel camera, 6.6-inch display with promotion. Lastly, Apple's first 5G modem chip. Would you buy a phone this thin? Have you ever seen a nightlight that brightens when it gets dark? An Arduino uses a light sensor to adjust the brightness automatically. This project shows how inputs and outputs work together simply and smartly. It is a perfect introduction to interactive electronics. What will you name your smart nightlight? Did you know that electricity is simply moving electrons? When electrons flow, they create the power that lights up devices and runs motors. More movement means more energy for your projects. This fundamental force drives all electronic creations. What device will you energize with moving electrons? Have you ever thought of an Arduino as a creative brain? It receives information from sensors just as we use our eyes and ears. It processes that information and sends commands to devices. This makes even simple circuits smart. What will you command with your own electronic brain? Did you know that an Arduino is a small computer for your projects? It controls sensors, lights, and motors like a brain controls muscles. This board appears in many electronics builds and creative experiments. Imagine building a device that reacts to its environment. What exciting project will you build next? The Nintendo Switch 2 is finally here, bringing massive upgrades gamers have wanted. It supports full 1080p handheld gaming and 4K output when connected to external monitors. The larger screen delivers stunning visuals for the impressive new game lineup. The innovative gamepads can now function as a mouse, giving players unprecedented control options. But with all these technological advancements, will Nintendo keep their famous game-first approach or chase graphics like their competitors? Arduino lets complete beginners build impressive projects with minimal experience. Start with blinking LEDs and simple sensors, then quickly advance to automated plant watering systems or custom security alarms. Tesla's Elon Musk started with similar basic electronics before revolutionizing multiple industries. From zero experience to working smart home gadgets in weeks, what would you create first with this $25 Wonder Board? Arduino boards are powering smart mirrors that display weather, calendar, and news. They connect to sensors that track humidity, temperature, and motion for broader uses. The latest application are home automation systems where Arduinos control lights, climate, and security, all from your phone. Imagine controlling your entire home with a $30 device smaller than your credit card. What would you automate first? A resistor limits electric current flow in a circuit. Think of it like a water pipe. A narrow pipe, high resistance, restricts flow, while a wide pipe, low resistance, allows more flow. Resistors convert excess electrical energy into heat, protecting sensitive components. They're color-coded to indicate their resistance value measured in ohms. Every electronic device contains resistors to control current. Have you ever wondered how your phone prevents its circuits from overheating? Arduino was created to make electronics accessible for everyone. In its early days, the board experienced hardware compatibility issues, limited processing power, and unstable software performance. The development team improved design and integration gradually. Do you believe overcoming these obstacles was key to its success? After a controversial update slowed device performance, customers expressed their concerns. Apple acknowledged the problem and introduced a battery replacement program to address the issue and rebuild trust. Did their solution restore your confidence in the brand? One of the major hardware challenges for the iPhone was creating a screen that could withstand daily wear and tear without cracking or scratching. Apple invested in research to develop a stronger type of glass. They improved the manufacturing process and added special coatings to enhance durability. This innovation helped make the phone more reliable for everyday use. Do you think this approach was the best way to make a more durable device? Always connect unused input pins to either ground or power with a pull-down or pull-up resistor to prevent erratic behavior and random readings, ensuring stable and reliable operation in your Arduino projects.